Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are having another session regarding asbestos lawyers. Today we will be able to know what is asbestos lawyers. So it's written here, thousands of people exposed to asbestos due to a negligence of larger corporation are now living with aggressive cancers like mesothelioma and lung cancer. A skilled asbestos lawyer has the resource to file the successful claim that obtains justice and compensation for victims and their loved ones. Contact is written even the contact number. Hope now at to find top lawyers who may be able to help your family. So today will be learn, guys. What is this? What about these lawyers and what is an asbestos lawyer? An asbestos lawyer is a legal professional who specializes in helping people who have been harmed by asbestos exposure. They are experienced in handling legal cases related to mesothelioma and diseases caused by asbestos. It's important to work with an asbestos lawyer since they have a history of holding companies accountable of asbestos related disease and the filing successful. These lawyers handle asbestos cases regularly. As a result, they can use their knowledge and experience to fight for you and your family. They are more likely to win your case than a general personal injury law attorney. It's written like why you need an asbestos lawyer. Asbestos claims lawyers are better equipped to build strong cases for their clients and than other types of attorneys who don't specialize in mesothelioma claims. Top asbestos attorney provide clients with these unique benefits. Number one, the free legal consultation, guys. The best asbestos lawyer will review your case for free to see you if you can file a claim. During the initial conversation, and the asbestos attorney can explain all of your legal options. Number two, it's written focused expertise. Asbestos law is constantly changing. Lawyers who focus strictly on asbestos exposure are usually much more familiar with the latest laws and rulings about asbestos litigation. And number three, no upfront fees. Top attorneys for asbestos exposure work on contingency fee basis, which means they to get paid unless they secure compensation for you. If your lawyer does not obtain compensation, you do not have to pay them. Connect with the top lawyers for by requesting a free legal consultation with our legal partner at Simmons Hanley Conroy. Guys, it's written like get a free legal consultation, so you can visit through the website and contact with them. It's written over $30 billion available, no cost to file a claim and avoid going to court. It's written get a free consultation, so you can click on the link and just submit form maybe, and you can, if you want like to consult with any of the lawyers. But what you should look for in an asbestos attorney: if you want to file a lawsuit for mesothelioma, the first step is to find experienced attorney who can confidently handle your case and guide you through the legal process. Filing the lawsuit was easy because our law made it easy. We didn't have to do anything. We just had to be here when he was, so he could explain exactly how the process worked. Uh, so guys, it's written like the lawyer you decide to work with should have each of the quality outlined below. History of past success. A qualified asbestos lawyer should be able to show how they have already helped other victims of asbestos disease. Qualified asbestos exposure attorney should be able to tell you how many asbestos victims their legal team has helped, how much compensation they have secured for the past clients, the average payout timeline to receive a compensation. Did you know? It's written mesothelioma lawsuit that settle of court award between $1 million and $1.4 million. On average, lawsuits that go filed typically award between $5 million and $11.4 million to mesothelioma victims. If the asbestos lawyer you are considering doesn't have a proven track record of helping other victims receive compensation, it may not be in your best interest to work with them. Access to asbestos resources. Asbestos lawyers typically have their own databases where they can pull information to build and strengthen your case. These attorneys have access to list of asbestos products and their manufacturers, information on where and when asbestos-containing products were made, used, and sold, information on the whether manufacturers are still in business or have filed for bankruptcy, known occupational and military asbestos exposure sites. Testimonial, Testimonials from the victims of asbestos exposure. So, with all these resources at their fingertips, asbestos lawyers can usually build a much stronger case than other types of attorney who don't specialize in mesothelioma claims. Very rarely is one company reasonable for mesothelioma victims' asbestos exposure. Victims were often exposed to asbestos containing products from several companies over the course of their lives. An asbestos lawyer can help you identify these companies and pursue multiple asbestos claims. Wondering if you have a case, contact our partner. Guys, it's written like you can contact a law firm today for a free, no obligation legal consultation. It's written again. There is a, even on this link, there is a live chat here as well. Nationwide reach also, as well as their this national reach is helpful because national firms will typically fly their officers attorney out with you, visit you in a person, no matter where you are located, so you don't have to travel. An asbestos lawyer with a national firm can file as asbestos lawsuit in the state court system jurisdiction that is most likely to result in the best outcome of your case. Experienced mesothelioma lawyers at national firms usually have a professional network of the other attorneys across the U.S. who can help determine where and how you are exposed to asbestos. Uh, An asbestos lawyer comprehensive nationwide resource often provides their client with a greater access legal aid compared to a local law practice general resources. So guys, all of the information is given here, so you can visit the website. I'll just give a website link down in the description, so you can visit this website and just go it through. And if any of the want of you like required for these asbestos lawyers, so you can apply today as well. Thanks for watching today's video, and we'll be back soon with another session. Even down there is written like to complete a form to speak the patient advocate is even given down there, so you can just fill it this form and they'll contact you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll be back with another session.